let's consider this question. We're given this diagram and we're to find the area of this rectangle. That is this rectangle. We're to find the area of this rectangle. So we know that area of a rectangle is equals to length times width. Now inside this rectangle we have two circles, and these two circles are equal, right? They have the same radius, the same diameter. So we have this triangle here, and these points of this triangle form the radius of, the center of this circle. So this point of this triangle also form the center of this circle. So the height of this triangle, which is from this point to this point, doubled as the radius of this circle. Alright, so the height of this triangle is equals to the radius of this circle. We're given the area of this triangle, and then we're given the base. So we're going to find the height of this triangle, right, using this area. So we know that area of a triangle is equals to half times base times height. So this is equals to the area of a triangle. So we have half times, we are given the base as 8 cm, we don't know the height, then the area, we know it as 8 cm square. So 8 divided by 2 is going to be equals to 4. So you have that 4 cm multiplied by h is equals to 8 cm square. So let's divide both sides by 4 cm. This and this will cancel. We have that the height of this triangle is equals to cm squared divided by cm will give us 1 cm, then 8 divided by 4 will give us 2, so we'll be left with 2 cm. So the height of this triangle is equals to 2 cm, which is also equals to the radius of this circle. Now for us to find the width of this rectangle, the width of this rectangle is given as from this point to this point, which is the radius of this circle, which we have found as 2 cm. So this is height equals to 2 cm equals to radius. Let me write it this way. Then from this point to this point, which is the radius of this circle, is also equals to 2 cm. Now from this point to this point is equal to from this point to this point, which is equals to the radius of this circle, which we know as 2 cm. So the width of this rectangle is equals to 2 cm plus 2 cm plus 2 cm. Alright, so width is equals to 2 cm plus 2 cm plus 2 cm, which is equals to 6 cm. So let's find the length. So the length of this rectangle is equals to the radius of this circle from this point to this point, which is equals to 2 cm, and then we're already given this point to this point, which is the base of this triangle, to be 8 cm, and then we know that from this point to this point also doubled as the radius of this circle, that is from here to here. Alright, so the length of this rectangle is given as this 2 cm. We have 2 cm plus 8 cm from this point to this point. We have 8 cm plus the radius of this second circle from this point to this point, which is from here to here, then 2 cm. So this is going to be equals to 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 2 is equals to 12 cm. So we now have that the area of this rectangle is equals to length is 12 cm multiplied by the width, which is equals to 6 cm. So the area of this rectangle is equals to 12 times 6 is 72 half cm square. So this is the answer to this question. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, share with your friends, and also drop a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.